Hey guys, real quick unboxing of the Next Hello video doorbell. Let's get that going real quick. I just got it a few days ago, and I already have a Ring doorbell, and I'm gonna switch it out with the Nest doorbell, and let's see how it goes. Real quick unboxing is my trusty knife. What I'm gonna do it with. Let's see, plastic wrapping. It's open. In the front it says know who is knocking, HDR video and HT talk listen, person alerts and familiar face alerts, pre-recorded quick responses, QuickTime Nest, Nest Hello video doorbell. It says it's wired, and let's see. So let's see. I'm gonna open it up right now. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. So here's the video doorbell. It looks pretty sleek. It's white and black. Very nice. It looks very high quality setup. It looks pretty straightforward. Now my concern is this white going to turn into yellow? That usually happens with white plastic stuff over time. And okay, so this is how it looks. Very high quality stuff. Looks like some kind of metal USB charging support, and some simple setup. Let's see what else is in the box. I'll leave it right here. Installation information, some kind of doorbell accessory. I think that goes on the doorbell itself. I don't know what's going on with the focus system today. Sorry guys. Okay, what else? What else is in the box? Something impossible to open. Oh, here. Okay. Look like it came with a drill bit, some kind of prying tool, some more dongles, whatever they are, and some more screws and nuts and bolts for easy installation. Let's see how long it takes me to install this bad boy. Yeah, I have a Ring doorbell right now, but since I got it, the constant issue with the delay in the reception when somebody rings the doorbell, I get the alert, but I'm not able to install it. So let's see how it goes.